Welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ and today we have a gluten and vegan gluten-free and vegan brownie for all of you dietary restriction people out there. If you want to find the recipe, it's in the description below. Just click on the link. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every week for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. Now you will be shocked at how quickly this comes together, which is another reason you should definitely make it like today. I have 3/4 of a cup or 150 grams of granulated sugar with a 1/2 cup or 100 grams of light brown sugar that is packed. To that we're adding a 1/2 cup or 45 grams of cocoa powder, 1 cup or 120 grams of gluten-free all-purpose flour. I am using this amazing Bob's Red Mill. I use this for pretty much everything I want to make a gluten-free version of. You just want to make sure your flour blend has xanthan gum in it. If it does not, you need to add a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum to your recipe. You're also adding a 1/2 teaspoon or 2 grams of salt with a 1/2 teaspoon or 2 grams of baking powder. Once that's all mixed, in this other cup, I have 2/3 of a cup or 160 milliliters of vegetable oil with 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of vanilla extract and 3/4 of a cup or 188 grams of applesauce, which is the replacement for eggs in this recipe. If you want an easy conversion for replacing eggs with applesauce and a number of things, it's 1/4 cup of applesauce per egg. There you go, vegan version. This is going to go into our 8 by 8 inch baking dish that is greased, lined with parchment paper and greased once more. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 40 minutes or until the entire top surface is set. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for about 15 minutes and refrigerate for a 1/2 hour before cutting into squares and enjoying. And you can see how fudgy these are, which is exactly why I love this, because they're gluten-free and vegan, but still fudgy brownies. Like, oh my God. Once again, the link for the recipe is in the description below, so be sure to check that out along with my other social media and recipes on my website. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. There's a gnat flying in my face, oh my God. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Oh, what a mess.